This 2015 Toyota Highlander is brought to you by J&M Auto Sales Inc. This 2015 Toyota Highlander Limited AWD has only 39,688 miles, is a two-owner with a clean Carfax history, and the previous owner took great care of the vehicle and it shows. The paint looks excellent with a deep glossy shine, and the interior is very clean with no unusual stains or unusual odors. The vehicle was just fully serviced and inspected, everything was up to date, and it comes with $0 deductible nationwide warranty at no cost. Mechanically, this 2015 Toyota Highlander Limited AWD runs and drives very nice. It starts right up and idles smooth, accelerates and shifts nice, and it drives great at highway speeds, 65 to 70 miles per hour, with no unusual noises, and it drives nice around town as well. It has the 3.5-liter, which not only gets great gas mileage but has proven very dependable over the years. This 2015 Toyota Highlander Limited AWD comes with power windows, power locks, cruise, front and rear heat and air, Bluetooth, remote power hatch, dual power seats, heated seating, leather backup camera. Visit us at jmmmotorslebanon.com.